Hello everyone. I would like in this video to introduce to you the careers of manufacturing engineering and where the manufacturing engineers work. I am Mohammed El-Beheiry. I am the unit head of the manufacturing engineering program at Ain Shams University. Let us start. If you go to Wazzaf is one of the main platforms in employing in Egypt, and search for the word manufacturing engineer or the synonymous words like industrial engineer or quality engineer, because these are synonymous words for manufacturing engineer. When we have done this search lately, we find that there are 450 jobs in manufacturing under the name of manufacturing engineers and 1,130 jobs for industrial engineer, 870 jobs for industrial quality engineers. Then there is a need for manufacturing engineers. The market need more manufacturing engineers. Why the market need more manufacturing engineers? Let us look at the Egyptian economy. Manufacturing represents 18% of the Egyptian economy in 2019. This is a big chunk of the Egyptian economy. There is a lot of manufacturing facility which needs manufacturing engineers. This ratio or this percentage witnessed 5% growth in the manufacturing sector in 2019 more than 2018. That means 5% increase in the need for manufacturing or engineers from 2018 till 2019. Are this growth is expected to continue? Yes, it's expected to continue. In 2020, there are 13 industrial zones with more than 4,500 new factories are opened. We witness every year either the opening of new factories with thousands of them. This is one of the biggest increases in the last 10 years. But for example, last year we witnessed around 2,000 more factories open, and there are the extension of the existing factories. The existing factories are getting more machinery and produce more, so you will find opportunity in the existing factory as well. Of course, in manufacturing engineering, in addition to the factories, we have opportunity to work as technical sale, in technical procurement and maintenance, in automotive service center, in machinery service center, in gas and oil and gas or petroleum industries. The main employers who employ our graduates are in General Motors, Nissan in the automotive industry, Mars, Unilever, Nestle in food industry, in home appliances like Electrolux, LG, Al-Arabi Group, in some of the electrical equipment like Schneider and LCD cables, in Schlumberger, in Caterpillar, which is more related to petroleum industry, and of course the top students are employed at our university as teaching assistant. Then after they have their PhD, they become our colleagues, or in other universities like the BUE, like the French universities, GC. Of course, they do not have our top students. They have the third or fourth ranked students. When we conducted a survey of our graduates from 2012, why 2012? Because these were our first graduates till 2018. We find that our graduates either work in universities and research institute, as we are going to illustrate now, international factories or Egyptian factories, and software development companies. 18% of our graduates either work in Ain Shams University or similar university. We have one of our graduates now, she was the sixth on her class. She worked as a teaching assistant in the American university. We have some work in the French university, in the GSC and so on. We have 13% of our graduates work in the software development companies. Why? Because the biggest buyer of software in Egypt are the factories. We need a lot of softwares in our work in factories. So to customize this on the factories, software developers need what we called it a subject matter expert, an expert in manufacturing to help the software company customizing the software to suit each manufacturing discipline. So they appoint or they employ manufacturing engineers, especially a young one who has some skills in software development. And of course, the majority of our graduates are working in industry, in factories. 50% of our graduates work in international factories. Why we distinguish between international factories and Egyptian factories? Because of the salary scale. The salary scale of international factories in Egypt are the highest among the fresh engineering graduates in Egypt. So we target most of our graduates to work in this type of factories. And those who work in Egyptian factories, they are very big Egyptian factories, like I said, El-Swedi, like Al-Arabi, they are big, Cristal Asfour, they are big Egyptian companies. I'm going to leave you with some of the testimonials of our three of our graduates. Let's hear
Hello,
it.
I'm Michael Ilea. I'm a graduate of Ain Shams University Manufacturing Programs in 2012, and now I'm working in Germany as a researcher in the Institute of Tribology in TU Clausthal, and my field of study is in the wind turbine gearboxes and roller bearings in them.
أنا رنا فاروق، اتخرجت من جامعة عين شمس دفعة 2016 مانيفاكتشرنج، خرجت بتقدير جيد جدا GPA 3.2. آخر سنة كنت بتدرب في General Electric as in steam turbines. أول ما اتخرجت I got the opportunity to join Schlumberger as a field engineer. I worked there for 2 years and then I got the opportunity إن أنا join P&G. Now I work as a global material developer and supply organization. Basically, my work is related to the safety and the quality of all the materials that's entering P&G, which of course it has to be done through me.
أنا طارق فهمي، خريج هندسة عين شمس دفعة 2016 مانيفاكتشرنج GPA 2.9. عملت مشروع التخرج بتاعي في بعض الحاجات في الأسانسيرات. الحمد لله بعد ما خلصت الجامعة بدأت أخد طريقي وإن أنا أفتح بيزنس لنفسي في صناعة حاجات مصرية ليها علاقة بالأسانسيرات، والحمد لله كان لينا أفضلية في حاجات كتير إن احنا نشتغل فيها، وكان الماركت واسع جدا علشان حركة البنى اللي موجودة في البلد دلوقتي. أنا طارق فهمي، خريج هندسة عين شمس.
As you see that these our graduates, they work in many areas in research, in very big international companies, or they can make their startup and their own business. Of course, we in manufacturing engineering program, we have a dual degree with University of East London, and this will be covered in another video about the study of at the manufacturing engineering program in Ain Shams. If you have any question, please do not hesitate to contact me on my email, manf.chap, or our Facebook group, or through DM through Twitter. Thank you very much.